Hello everyone, in this video we're going to solve the following equation and find all real solutions of x. So here x belongs to real numbers. Let's start. First of all, I'm going to make a substitution such that x minus 8 is equal to a. Then I have to also express cubic root of x in terms of a and cubic root of x minus 16 in terms of a. Now first, to express cubic root of x in terms of a, I have to here simply solve for x. Then I'll get x is equal to a plus 8. And this one is simply cubic root of a plus 8. And for the next expression here, this one is x minus 16 is equal to a minus 8. And now this is simply cubic root of a minus 8, and this is cubic root of a. Now our new equation with a new variable will look like this. So cubic root of a minus 8 plus cubic root of a plus 8 is equal to cubic root of a. Now I have to cube both sides by using the following formula. We know that a plus b to the power of 3 is always equal to a cubed plus 3a squared b plus 3b squared a and plus b cubed. Now using this we can easily cube the last equation. So therefore this one is, so the left hand side is a minus 8 plus 3 times cubic root of a minus 8 to the power of 2 and plus and times cubic root of a plus 8 and plus 3 times cubic root of, so here a minus 8 times cubic root of a plus 8 to the power of 2. And this one is and plus, plus a plus 8, and this one is equal to a. And we see that minus a plus a will be cancelled here, and this is going to be 2a and plus, so from these expressions I can factor out 3 times cubic root of a minus 8 times cubic root of a plus 8. Then inside the bracket, simply cubic root of a minus 8 and plus cubic root of a plus 8. And this one is equal to a. Now we see that this one is simply equal to, as you can see, this one. So therefore here this is cubic root of a. Then our equation will be as follows. Let me move this 2a to the right hand side. Then simply 3 times cubic root of a minus 8 times cubic root of a plus 8 is equal to a minus 2a gives us minus a. And here times cubic root of a, and this one is equal to minus a. Now let me multiply these three expressions by using the following formula. We know that n root of a times n root of b times n root of c. Then if exponents of each radical are the same, then I can write this one as follows: n root of a times b times c. Now using this we can easily multiply. Then this is going to be equivalent to, so here I'm going to multiply these two radical, then I'll get 3 times cubic root of a times 8. So I'm going to again use the following formula. We know that a minus b times a plus b always equal to a squared minus b squared. Now using this we can multiply a by a and minus 8 by 8, so therefore a squared, let me change the color, so a squared minus 64 and times cubic root of a is equal to minus 8. Now again, to eliminate radicals I am going to cube both sides, and I'm going to use again the following formula. We know that a times b times c to the power of n, then I have to raise each expression to the power of n. In other words, this one is equal to a to the power of n times b to the power of n times c to the power of n. Now using this formula I can easily cube the left hand side and right hand side. So the left hand side is 27 times a squared minus 64 times a is equal to minus a cubed. Now this is going to be equivalent to 27a cubed minus 27 times 64 times a and minus a cubed. Now let me move, this one is the left hand side, then I will get 28 a cubed and minus 27 times 64 times a is equal to 0. So factoring out a, I will get a times 27a squared minus 27 times 64 is equal to 0. And this product is equal to 0, then each expression is equal to 0. So therefore a is equal to 0. This is the first answer. And the second one is 27a squared minus, this one is 28a squared minus 27 times 64 is equal to 0. Now this is going to be equivalent to 28a squared is equal to 27 times 64. And here, solving for a squared, I will get a squared is equal to 27 times 64 divided by 28. And this can be simplified. I can express 27 times, so 64 is, 4 times 16, and this one is 4 times 7. And this is going to be cancelled. So here, 432 divided by 7. Or in other words, here, a is equal to plus minus square root of 432 divided by 7. As you remember, we said that x minus 8 is equal to a. So let me rewrite this equation here as it is. As you remember, x minus 8 was a. Now, the first answer was a is equal to 0. So here I'll automatically get that x minus 8 is equal to 0. And here x is equal to 8. This is the first answer. And the second answer is x minus 8 is equal to, if we take from this with plus, then simply square root of 432 divided by 7. And here I will get x is equal to square root of 432 divided by 7 plus 8. And x minus 8 is equal to minus square root of 432 divided by 7. And here I will get x equal to minus square root of 432 divided by 7 and plus 8. And as you can see, for this equation we have 3 answers, and these answers are here. So this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel.